Can you see that? It says StarWorld Casino. And then this is kind of also says StarWorld Hotel. So we're not going to go very far in here, but there's right next to this Ascot Center, MGM, Wynn, President Casino right there, Lisboa. We're going to see how much we can go into it. I'm going to suspect not too much because some of these ones that are not the hugest ones are more casino floors, and so the space for just a regular person sometimes isn't very much. But we're going to go in it anyways and give you a sense of what's in there. And right away from the window you can see all these chairs here. Let's just see. And it's kind of a big lobby in here. But we'll come in and see. Hello. Okay. So let me just see. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we just got inside, so now you can see kind of all these chandeliers, and then you can basically see like there's an upstairs up there. I don't know where the casino floor is, so I don't know how far we can go in. But then in this area they heat scan us. So yeah, this is basically the lobby. So let me just see. I think we probably can't go up, but we'll see what we can see. Front desk kinds of stuff, and then I think there's a restaurant that goes up, but oh, this is part of the Galaxy. I didn't realize this was connected. The Galaxy is on the oh, okay. I saw the same replica in the Galaxy as well. But Galaxy is a big casino that has a big swimming pool in the middle, and I have been in there, and yeah, it has a big series of swimming pools. So I guess this one connects to the Galaxy, and then this might be all we can really get into here. So yeah, that one goes up to casino, so I'm not allowed in there with the camera, so I don't really want to go otherwise. That might be all we can really film in here. Might be some restaurants up there, but I've been up in there before. Okay, for people that are kind of curious about it. Okay, I guess they're connected with a bunch of hotels. Anyways, this is inside the StarWorld. Sorry, there's more to it. I mean, it's pretty cool. The lobby is great, but yeah, I can't really. I can't go in the casino floors. They'll confiscate the film, and I'll lose everything that I have on it. So I definitely don't want to do that. Anyways, I did find out it's connected to the Galaxy, so that's interesting. Let's send it right there.